And the reason I say that is if you're there interviewing your customer about how well you did, it's going to come through a little bit contrived. Whereas if you've got a third party, enter Power Creative, subtle plug, you will basically get a different result. And I can guarantee you it's going to be a better result. And the reason, apart from just our approach in filming and editing and the rest, it's the key ingredient of having someone that's actually thought through about what it is that we're getting from these customers, and not being so close to the customer that you end up being emotionally attached. And you can just segregate yourself and go, right. And if you do want to attend on the day of shooting, great. Be the client-facing, handshaking, customer relationship, but don't play the role of the interviewer because it's hard. And I tell you it's hard because there's certain things that we'll ask them to do maybe more than once. And if you have to do that as a business owner, you're going to just be like, oh, well, let's just get this done and move on. And you're going to get a different result.